Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Amazon Merch is a platform that allows anyone to design and sell their t-shirts. It is a simple process that requires no prior knowledge of design or the garment industry. Since its inception in late 2015, the company has signed contracts with major corporations such as Disney and Marvel. It's also a popular platform for print-on-demand sellers. It is an excellent way to generate a solid passive income and start making money while you sleep. However, because new sellers begin their journey at tier 10, and can only upload a maximum of 10 designs, most of them take a long time to make their first sale, and some may even give up due to this. As a result, most Amazon Merch experts advise new sellers to focus on trends at first, to make quick sales and move up the tiers. The drawback with focusing on trends is that you risk losing consistent long-term sales, and trends are usually either copyrighted or trademarked. In today's video, I'll show you a few strategies for identifying trends, as well as a simple method for determining whether or not they're safe to use. So, what exactly are trends? The new currency of online marketing is online trends. It's all about staying ahead of the curve and predicting what will be hot in the future. The best approach to achieve this is to actively check external sources such as search engines, blogs, social media sites, and articles daily. Participating in online discussions and engaging with your target audience can also help. It is critical to understand what people desire, what they are enthusiastic about, and where they are actively seeking information or inspiration. This will assist you in determining the types of subjects and content your audience is interested in. However, even if trends are a wonderful way to make quick money on Amazon Merch, you risk losing your account if you list a t-shirt without first checking to see if it has a copyright or trademark issue. This is why you must study any trend before attempting to create your designs. The best websites to check for copyrights and trademarks are TM Hunt and USPTO. TM Hunt allows you to search for trademarks in a phrase, and it's amazing because it can search for trademarks for each of your words separately. USPTO will evaluate a phrase's trademark but not individual words within that phrase. To check for copyrights, use Google to verify whether any results are copyrighted, such as song lyrics or quotes from a celebrity. And now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's look at some amazing websites where you can check viral content to see what's trending right now. Google Trends. Google Trends is an excellent tool for locating trending topics. Because this data is collected by Google, you may be confident that it is extremely accurate. You may also see what other terms are related to the one you're looking for, which can provide you with some further suggestions. Another cool feature is that you may change the time to see what has been popular recently. You can also choose countries, which may give you some ideas that others haven't thought of yet. You may also try searching for your niche to see what results you get. This might also provide you with design ideas that you may not have considered before. You can search for a single topic or multiple topics to compare their search volumes. Google Trends is a terrific tool for finding hot topics, and it's completely free. This might assist you in determining the ideal niche for your shirts. Twitter. Twitter is an excellent resource for discovering hot topics. This is particularly true when looking for short-term trends. You'll be able to discover what's hot right now and what people are talking about. This might assist you in coming up with designs that people will love to wear. You can use Twitter's search function or a service like trendsmap.com to locate popular topics. Trendsmap displays the top tweets of the day, or you can change the filters to view the top tweets made in the last 5 minutes, for example. You may also sort the tweets by the number of retweets, replies, or mentions. This can help you come up with new ideas for trending shirts while also ensuring that you aren't selling something that has already been done to death. You may use Twitter to find hot niche ideas for free. News stories. You can keep an eye out for news stories that can inspire your t-shirt design. You can look for news stories on blogs, YouTube, Reddit, or even on television. You can also check the news with Google News. When you come across a news story, you might utilize it to inspire your t-shirt design. You can use the story to generate design ideas, or you can use the story keywords in the title, bullet points, and description. However, keep in mind that you must still confirm whether or not you are permitted to create shirts based on that news story. It is best to stay safe than to lose your account. Ask friends and family. You can ask your friends and relatives what they are currently enjoying. This can be done during supper or at any other social gathering. You can ask them what things they frequently use or what designs they prefer. You can use this information to create better t-shirt designs. Amazon Movers and Shakers. Amazon also has a fantastic feature that allows sellers to discover what's popular on the Amazon marketplace. Simply browse Amazon's Movers and Shakers page to find popular products. This page displays the most popular products in terms of sales and it's a wonderful place to start if you're looking for new merch by Amazon t-shirt designs. Reddit is another excellent resource for finding popular topics. While this site has a reputation for being a bit of a wild west in terms of internet communities, it is a treasure trove of knowledge on a variety of topics. To find popular topics on Reddit, open the Reddit homepage in a new incognito tab and change the location to whatever country you wish. Then you'll be able to see a list of popular Reddit posts, which may help you discover some untapped t-shirt ideas that others haven't recognized yet. TikTok may be the ideal location to spot trends to sell on Amazon if you want to sell t-shirts to a younger audience. To find popular topics on TikTok, go to the TikTok ads page and create an account. Then, browse through trending TikToks, trending hashtags, and trending creators to identify hot topics. This may help you determine what individuals are interested in, so that you can create t-shirts they are willing to buy. Facebook. If you're searching for trending topics for your Amazon business and are targeting a slightly older audience, Facebook could be the area to check. With a large range of groups covering about any topic imaginable, you may find information on almost anything. So, to uncover hot topics on Facebook, look for active groups where people are commenting and engaging with every post. This way, you can spot trends based on how people connect. For example, you may look for a meme group and scroll down to see which memes people are sending, to figure out which memes are currently popular. Instagram. While this social network is not as good for identifying general trending topics, it is one of the greatest venues to locate popular hashtags connected to emerging trends. Simply search for a hashtag, such as dog quotes, and scroll down to discover what people are posting about and what type of content they are sharing about dogs. YouTube can also be used to find popular topics. All you have to do is go to youtube.com and click on the Explore button. From there, you can use the buttons to search for trending videos in various categories. You can access general trending content from various content creators by clicking on Trending. You may uncover popular content created by regular creators, brand channels, and select music artists by using the trending category. For more specific trends, try the news or sports category. These two categories are fantastic for coming up with t-shirt ideas to sell, especially if you are primarily targeting the US market. Other categories, such as gaming and fashion, can be used to derive even more content ideas. So, when conducting niche research, don't rely solely on one category, and make sure to check everything. BUZZSUMO. BUZZSUMO is a service that collects trending content from around the internet and makes it available to you for free. You can use it to quickly get a sense of what people are discussing or sharing with others. This could be the initial step in your niche research journey. You might start your research with BUZZSUMO and then move on to other social media platforms to verify trends. Exploding Trends. This website displays searches that were popular in a specific period. According to the website's About page, they assist investors and entrepreneurs in identifying trends before they blow up. You can use this website to search for hot topics to use on a t-shirt design. These websites that I shared with you today can help you understand what is currently popular on the internet. You can use any of them to uncover trends, but remember to double check whether those trends are safe to use before uploading your designs to Amazon Merch or any other print-on-demand platform. After all, you want to keep your accounts safe and avoid being banned for an unintentional trademark or copyright violation. I hope I was able to teach you something new today. Thanks for watching.